he doesn't think he said that.
Yeah. Okay. So that was on yesterday.
Oh boy. Oh man, I'm telling you. Am I off my game? Hang on a second, guys. Hang on. Hang on, everybody. 1 second.
Go ahead and pull it up. I'll eat 2 pretzels if it ain't right.
1 second. 1 second. Everybody quiet. The champ is here. 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 The champ. All right. That one is for the ops that entered into the room. And if the ops wants to come up and face the champ, push the button because the champ is here. The champ is here.
That's hilarious.
If you got smoke for Mr. Denali XXL, then the champ is here to face you. Push the button. Push the button because the champ is here. You have already taken 2 losses. If you want a 3rd one, you come on up, push the button, and we can go ahead and do it. The Rumble in the Jungle. The champ is here.
Yes, I see her.
That's some funny stuff.
Do not mention any names.
I won't mention any names, but
thank you. The champ is here.
I will drop. Yes.
The champ is here. You lurking? Go ahead and push that button because the champ is here. That's right.
They can't press it if one of us don't drop.
Oh. Well, they can put into the chat.
I'm gonna drop. I'm gonna drop.
Those fingers work. The champ is here. Do I need to play it again? Let me play it one more time because I love that tune. Where is it? Let's see.
That's that boxer, isn't it? What he always that's I forget who that what his name is, but he's
Muhammad Ali right there.
No, that wasn't Muhammad Ali. No, it's that dude.
Will Smith.
Man,
That
what's
was
his
Will
name?
Smith.